Tripp. Curtis here, obviously, and just wanted to review what our lesson was for this week. The first assignment that I had for you, it isn't related to the worship songs that we're learning, but it's related to the 3 different keys that we have learned chords in. We've learned chords in the key of E, which is an E chord, F sharp minor, E over G sharp, then A, then B, and then C sharp. And those are the only chords really I want you to worry about. You don't have to worry about the D, the fancy D up here, or the E up here. But just using those first chords, E, F sharp, E over G sharp, A, B, and C sharp. I want you to come up with a progression and a sequence of those chords, and you're going to be using your dust in the wind finger picking pattern. I'll do an example here. So all I did there was walk down from the A chord to the E over G sharp, to the F sharp minor 7, to the E. And that was my progression. So I also want you to make up a progression in the key of C, which is the key of Dust in the Wind. But obviously you can't use that progression. You got to make up your own. So just using either a C or a D or a C over E. So a C over E is just a C chord, except you play the top string. And then an F sharp major 7, which is the chord we're trying to learn. And then a G or a Gsus, you can do either one. An A minor, a G over B, and a C. So here's an example of a progression that I might play here. So I just made that up. I don't even know what the sequence was. I think I started on a C, then to an A, then G to F, and then C over E, F, G sus, G, and C again. But write down the progression that you want to play and work on that Dust in the Wind pattern. Same thing, key of G. And the key of G, the chords are G, A minor, G over B, C, D, E minor, or E minor, with our 2 fingers down on the 3rd fret, and then a D over F sharp, and then back to G again. So using those chords, write another progression. The final thing I really want you to work on this week is in the key of C, the song that we're learning is Ever Be. And one of the chord transitions, which is really tricky, is moving from that G sus chord into the into the F major 7, which has our thumb wrap around. So from that G chord to the F major 7. G chord to F major 7. And just play that transition like 25 times when you sit down. And it's going to hurt your fingers and you're going to be frustrated at it, but the more you do it, the more natural it will become, and sooner than you realize it, you're going to have that down pat, and you'll just be able to play that F major 7, and you'll be able to transition in and out of it just beautifully. And I'm looking forward to that. All sorts of fun stuff that we can do when you really grab hold of that chord. And that's it, Tripp. Hope you have a great week, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.